What's up, TechTales fam? Today, we're diving into Apple's latest masterpiece, the iPhone 16. Is this the revolutionary upgrade we've been waiting for, or just another minor refresh? Stick around to find out. First things first, let's talk design. The iPhone 16 is more than just a pretty face. Apple's gone all out with a stunning new, mention any notable design elements like a titanium frame or new colors. And check out this display, 6.5 inches of pure Super Retina XDR brilliance. But is it enough to make you ditch your current phone? Let's see. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 is packing Apple's brand new A18 chip. What does that mean for you? Insane speed, buttery smooth gaming, and efficiency that'll keep you going all day. Whether you're a heavy multitasker or just love streaming in 4K, this chip handles it all without breaking a sweat. Now, let's get to the camera, the feature that always gets everyone talking. With a whopping 200MP main sensor, the iPhone 16 takes mobile photography to a whole new level. But is it really that good? Battery life, one of the most important things, right? Apple claims the iPhone 16 can last up to 20 hours, and honestly, they might be underselling it. Plus, with 30W fast charging, you can juice up to 50% in just 20 minutes. So, is the iPhone 16 worth the upgrade? If you're coming from the iPhone 15, the differences might seem minor, but the performance and camera upgrades are real game changers. In the end, the iPhone 16 isn't just another upgrade, it's a statement. Apple has packed so much into this device that it feels like a glimpse into the future of smartphones. But is it the right phone for you? That's the question only you can answer. Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to TechTales, and hit the bell so you don't miss any future tech reviews. See you next time.